What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? Wishing you all a very happy new year. First of all, may this year brings you lots and lots of happiness, wealth, and health, and may this year brings you all that you desire. I know New Year wish काफी late हो गई है, but still a very happy New Year from my side. But how was your New Year resolutions? Every one of us actually makes New Year resolutions, and this New Year resolutions I think are more self-centered for all of us. Oh, okay, I don't know about yours, but I would love to know about your New Year resolution. Just now, only go and comment below your New Year resolutions, and are you still holding on to them? Because I am holding on to them, and the resolution that I made this year was just to work on my own self. I think it's so important to work on my own self nowadays. My life has also been changing so much these days that I don't know, every now and then something or the other thing is happening around, and I'm so much in the mood to learn from everything and then evolve into a better person. So this year is going to be a me year, and I'm just going to work on my own self, meet new people out there, and go on new experiences, and yeah, work on my own self in every way possible, physically, mentally, emotionally, in fact spiritually. I just want to make my own self so much better this year. So yeah, that's the resolution that I've taken, to work on my own self, and I think it's going to stick because I'm really firm abhi tak to. And I hope your year also goes really well. And also, this video is going to be a little heart to heart talk, so I hope you guys like this video. And without any further ado, let's just move on to the video. So these are going to be the 10 lessons that I learned from 2020, and I really hope that you guys connect to this as well. Starting out on a very lighter note, first lesson comes out to be more adaptive in life. No one expected the entire lockdown and coronavirus thing to happen, and the life before lockdown and after lockdown had a huge difference in between them, which is something no one expected obviously, but we had to adapt to. And I think it's all the story of the survival of fittest, जो easily हर चीज़ को adapt कर लेगा life में भी, and emotionally, mentally भी, then it's going to become easier to pass through the course of life. Otherwise you will have to struggle through the course of life, which is difficult. So yeah, I think especially for the teens out there, it's important कि आप लोग जल्दी जल्दी चीज़ों को adapt करना सीख लो. And with this we come to the second point, which says don't wait to be kind. This is one of my favorite points because I think the world requires your kindness so much right now. Every one of us is struggling in one or the other way. Everyone has their own battles, and everyone's pain is real to them, no matter how hard you try and deny that. And until and unless we step into their shoes, we can't judge the amount of pain that they're going through. And your kindness or goodness can give strength to a lot of people around you. So yeah, spread it as much as you can. The world needs it so bad right now. With this, we come on to the third point, which says that above all, you matter, and do more of what you love, which is so important. हम वो सब चीज़ें नहीं कर पाते जो हमें अच्छी लगती हैं, एंड लॉकडाउन ने हमें इतना सारा टाइम दिया टू ट्राई आउट न्यू थिंग्स एंड टू ट्राई आउट ऑल द थिंग्स दैट वी लव्ड. मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा कमिंग अप विद न्यू टैलेंट्स एंड स्किल्स. वो सब चीज़ें करना भूल जाते हैं जो हमें अच्छी लगती हैं, जो हमें खुशी या प्लेजर सॉर्ट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस देती हैं. वो सब चीज़ें हम निगलेक्ट करते जाते हैं. बट दैट्स अ लेसन दैट आई टुक कि हर किसी चीज़ से ऊपर उठकर आप मैटर करते हो. आपकी इंडिविजुअलिटी मैटर करती है, आपकी पर्सनैलिटी मैटर करती है, एंड वॉट यू फील लाइक डूइंग इज वॉट मैटर्स द मोस्ट. So yeah, go for the things that make you happy, go for the things that excite you in life and make you nervous at the same time, because those are the things that make you grow into a person, into a better person every time. And with this we come on to the fourth point, which is in relation with the previous one, which says that say yes to more things in life. I mean, that actually goes on to me. This is my personal experience, that I always used to say no to a lot of things in life. दैट इज़ बीइंग इन योर कम्फर्ट जोन. मतलब इसको अगर मैं सिंपल वे में बोलूँ तो हमें अपने कम्फर्ट जोन से निकलने की आदत बिल्कुल भी नहीं होती है, विच इज़ वाई हम हमेशा उस कम्फर्ट जोन में रह जाते हैं और हम इतना सब कुछ एक्सपीरियंस नहीं कर पाते लाइफ में. एंड एट द एंड, ट्रस्ट मी, ऑल दैट यू गोना रिमेंबर इन द एंड इज ऑल द एक्सपीरियंसेस दैट यू हैव हैड इन योर लाइफ, be it the good ones, be it the bad ones, be it the best, be it the worst. Experiences are gonna make you a better person at the end. New people, new adventures, new things, new places to hang out at, Everything that's new is gonna make you grow. This is what I have also decided to do this year. So let's make it happen together and say yes to more things in life. And with this, we come on to the fifth point, which says love makes everything better. Indeed, it's so true. I mean, no matter what you're going through, no matter how much confused you are in life, no matter आप कितनी ज़्यादा upset हो या what kind of bad day you are in today, if someone who loves you, be it your parents, be it your best friends, be it your any relative, be the person who you love the most or that person loves you the most, कोई भी अगर आपको एक बारी कहते that everything is gonna get better, especially when the person loves you so much, it's gonna make everything better, trust me. And that's when you know that love is the only thing that you require to grow. ये quote मैंने पढ़ा था, I'll try to place it somewhere on the screen, that when you are loved right, that's when you grow the best. कि जब आप सही से नर्चर किए जाते हो, सही से प्यार किए जाते हो, that's when you grow into the best human that you are. So yeah, all the people that you love in your life, starting with your parents, love them the right way and the best way possible and help them to grow into better people this year. Here comes the sixth lesson, which says that having a mental breakdown is absolutely okay, and seeking help from other people or a doctor is also okay. I mean, जस्ट लाइक अ फिजिकल इंजरी, जब हमें कोई चोट लगती है कहीं, मतलब वो विजिबल होती है, सामने दिख जाती है कि कोई चोट लगी है, एंड सो वी गो सीक हेल्प फ्रॉम अदर पीपल. हम डॉक्टर पे भी जाते हैं, हम थेरेपिस्ट पे भी जाते हैं इफ इट्स इन द नीड. सिमिलर वे, इफ़ यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम समथिंग दैट्स मेंटली, आई मीन आप मेंटली किसी वजह से अपसेट हो, या इफ यू हैविंग अ मेंटल ब्रेक डाउन, देन इट्स एब्सोल्युटली ओके टू सीक हेल्प फ्रॉम अदर पीपल. मतलब मुझे लगता है ऐसे ना यहाँ पे टैबू सा होता है कि साइकेट्रिस्ट के पास जाना इज लाइक अ वेरी बिग थिंग, बट ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. इफ़ यू नॉट फीलिंग वेल एंड देयर समथिंग गोइंग ऑन इन योर माइंड which is troubling you so much, you can absolutely visit to a psychiatrist. Matlab, it's absolutely okay. So yeah, this was the biggest lesson I think from the previous year. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट सेज टू लिव फॉर नाउ. आई मीन, ऐसा कितनी बार होता है कि हम फ्यूचर में फ्यूचर की ज़्यादा टेंशन लेते हैं या एंग्जाइटी में रहते हैं कि फ्यूचर में क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, और इधर वी आर स्टक इन द पास्ट, विच इज़ सो सो वियर्ड. मतलब आई नो इट हैपन्स टू एवरी वन, आई हैव ऑल्सो बीन देयर, बट आई थिंक 2020 taught us कि लिव फॉर नाउ, लिव इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट. हर चीज़ प्रेजेंट में करो. आई मीन, saving up for future is absolutely fine, you need to do that, but what I'm saying is that don't save up all the small things in life, all the small happy moments, और जो precious moments होती हैं, memories होती हैं, जो प्रीशियस चीज़ें होती हैं, वो सब फ्यूचर के लिए सेव करके मत रखो. आई मीन, हमारे पास सबके पास होता है ना, वो कोई स्पेशल परफ्यूम हम खरीदते हैं, स्पेशल ड्रेस कोई खरीदते हैं, हम उसको कवर्ड में रख देते हैं कि वो एक स्पेशल डे आएगा तो हम तब उसे पहनेंगे या यूज़ करेंगे. सो या, स्टॉप सेविंग एवरीथिंग फॉर फ्यूचर. कभी कभी हेयर एंड देयर यू कैन प्लेजर योर सेल्फ एंड ट्रीट योर सेल्फ वेल, गेट रेडी एंड यूज ऑल दो स्पेशल थिंग्स जो हम फ्यूचर के लिए सेव करके रखते हैं. इट्स इवेंचुअली गोना मेक यू फील सो सो बेटर. So yeah, try it out, it really helps. The next one comes in and says that you can't blame anyone else for the boundaries that you create in your life. You create them on your own. I mean, in that phase, I realized that everyone was coming up with one or the another thing in life, with new talents, unleashing some or the another skill in themselves, and that's what I also did. तो दैट्स हाउ यू नो कि आप कितना कुछ कर सकते हो लाइफ में, बट यू आर रिस्ट्रिक्टिंग योर सेल्फ इन टू दो स्पेसिफिक बाउंड्रीज. यू आर नॉट अलाउइंग योर सेल्फ टू टू बी फ्री in this world and try out new things, new adventures, new skills, new talents, new occupations, new jobs, new business. It can be literally anything. And we start believing that ये तो हम कर ही नहीं सकते हैं because हमने कभी try नहीं किया, and we've never made ourselves so free to go and try that out. I think it all comes down to basically your comfort zone or the shell that you've created around you, the bubble that you've created around. And if you break them, that's when you know that it's all by your own self and you can't blame anyone else for that. The next point is really special. I think all of us have realized this in lockdown. I mean, the physical distance doesn't define the love and the depth of your relationships. हो सकता है आप पूरे लॉकडाउन किसी से नहीं मिले, हो सकता है आप पूरे लॉकडाउन उन लोगों के पास नहीं जा सके, बी इट योर फैमिली, पीपल हु आर स्टेइंग आउट ऑफ देयर होम. वो सब कुछ भी मैटर नहीं करता इफ यू आर विलिंग टू लव दैट पर्सन बियॉन्ड एनीथिंग. The physical distance that you guys have in between has no relation with the love and the depth of your relationship. If your relationship is really strong, it's gonna last long, no matter how close or how apart you are. until and unless you are not apart by your hearts. So that's what matters. So हो सकता है आप पूरा साल किसी इंसान से ना मिलो, but still you stay together, you stay connected, and you stay happy with each other. So it happens, and it's absolutely okay. Physical distance has nothing to do. So this is one lesson that 2020 taught us. I think 2020 ने काफी कुछ सिखा दिया, especially मुझे और आप सबको भी. Finally, we come to the last lesson of today's video. This lesson says that perfection isn't real, and we should always express gratitude for all of that we have in our life. This is something that we tend to forget so many times. I mean, हम हर बार भूल जाते हैं ये चीज़ कि हर कोई perfect नहीं होता. Perfect life is just an illusion, and we don't express our gratitude for all that He's ever given us, and we tend to forget that so many times. This is something which we should not forget, and that is why I kept this lesson at the end. मैंने ये लेसन सिर्फ 2020 को ध्यान में रखकर नहीं लिखा, बट इन जनरल भी ये लाइफ में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है दैट यू कम आउट ऑफ दिस इल्यूजन ऑफ परफेक्शन. But we need to believe that no one is born perfect and no one dies perfectly. There may be times when you don't like someone, or there may be anything else that you don't like in that person. And there's always a chance that that person also doesn't like something in you. So you have to come out of that perfection wala illusion, because that doesn't exist in the real world. It is not real. Nothing goes how you planned, and like we keep on insisting onto certain things in life that are not meant to happen right now, be it your relationships or be it your goals. Nothing goes by the plan. That's what I've learned. हम जितनी मर्जी प्लानिंग कर लें लाइफ में, कभी प्लान्स के अकॉर्डिंग कुछ भी नहीं होता. सो इफ़ यू थिंक दैट समथिंग इजंट वर्किंग आउट राइट नाउ, जस्ट गिव इट सम टाइम, गिव इट सम स्पेस, and I'm sure if it's meant to happen, it will happen. And along with this, never forget to express gratitude towards God. I mean, I don't believe in a particular God, but I just believe in that supernatural power which controls this world, and I extremely believe in that power, because there is something that's controlling the world, no matter how hard you try not deny that fact. So yeah, always say thank you God for always helping me out, and I trust you for all the things that I'm leading on to, and that helps me sleep better. I think आप kindness करते हो, आप अच्छी चीज़ें करते रहोगे, तो बाकियों का पता नहीं, but it helps you to sleep better. That's what I feel. Just always keep on doing your part the nice way possible. Spread goodness and kindness and lots of love in the world. It needs the most. And work on your own self. I think 2021 just has to be coming out of that trauma that 2020 gave us. And I give lots and lots of power and love to everyone who's watching this video. I hope this video helps in one or the other way. And that's it for today's video. These were the 10 lessons that I took from 2020, and I really hope that these helps you and you are able to connect to them. If you do, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know how were your resolutions and what you learned in this year and how everything went on. I'm sorry that I'm so late with this video, but I hope this video helps you guys. If you guys like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and if you guys didn't, give it a thumbs down, and share this video as much as you can, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video if you're still watching it. And the next video will have a quick life update that I would like to give you guys. So yeah, until next time, I shall see you again. Lots of love from my side. Bye and take care.
And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally